In front of me is Xiaomi 14 Ultra, and today I would like to show you where you can locate all typing options. You need to begin by opening Settings and scrolling all the way down. When you're ready, select Additional Settings. Then click on Languages and Input, Manage Keywords, and Rebirth. Lastly, click on Text Correction. As you can see, all typing options are here. To manage them, click on the switchers next to the chosen ones. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment and subscribe. Bye!